can, or do a night mode, but no, I can't. So.
Lloyd's first ever squid.
Hey, Squidward. Check that rascal. We won't go hungry tonight, boys.
But look what happened. Thankfully, it went all over my reef and not the boat itself. But Lloyd's cleaning that up tomorrow.
It is. I knew it was. Squid. There you go, lad. Work your beans out. Squid and scad. What have you got, scad? Not inked, it's jetted some water out, but it's not inked. Oh. Just grab it, mate. There we go. How many jets do you reckon they have? One. One jet and then you grab it. Two. Oh, it's gone! Oh, and it inked as well as soon as I dropped it. Oh, that's okay.
Should have netted it. Nah. First Cornish pollock. You got mackerel. One more. Gather.
Yeah, little one.
Perfect.
Perfect scad.
Scantily clad.
Right, that'll do us, alright. Should we get the rods rigged up?
Hey?
Should we get the rods rigged up?
Yeah, well, you can do it on while I drive.
If you see some on the way.
Okay?
If you see some on the way.
Yeah.
Things I do for you.
Your squid bait. Right, that's bait taken care of. That was quick. A few scad, a few mackerel, squid for Lloyd. He's saying that my squid don't count.
Nope.
I'm scared to get.
Touch the leader because you pooed.
I did have a hold of it.
No, you pooed your pants.
I didn't want it inking. Luckily, as it fell off, it did ink, so I would have got it in the face. Right, Lloyd's going to tie the rigs on, and I will do the driving. Let's get out there, see if we can find some fish.
Just gone over a wreck. Drop the feathers down, see what we've got. Just drifting along at the minute. Live baits out. Waiting for those thresher sharks.
What have we got?
Let's have a look.
Bloody scad.
Decent scad though, mate.
Triple scad.
Not what we want. Not bait, not eating. Got enough.
Still waiting. The rod's on the drift. Drifting liveys. No dice as yet. Hopefully the sun will burn through soon. It's still pretty early. It's forecast to be quite a nice day today. It's still pretty chilly. No dolphins yet today. Seen a few tuna jumping out in the distance, but yeah, not as much activity as yesterday. We're going to give it another 15-20 on the drift here, and then I'm going to go back to where we were yesterday evening. So this is the setup for today. This is my custom built skate / shark rod built by Matty Byers. Absolute awesome bit of kit, coupled with my Avit EX50 wide reel, an 80-pound holocore braid. It's tamed fish to over 200 pound in Scotland. I will drop a link in the description to that video, that skating video, and also to Matt's Facebook link. If you're in the market for a custom rod or a rebuild, get in touch with Matt. He's awesome with a rod blank. Yeah, can't recommend him enough. Hopefully we get hooked up to a big shark today and really put it through its paces. I'm sure Matt will be pleased that we caught something big down here with it. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, baby.
Proper runs.
Ideal.
See anything?
No! Cut myself off! No!
Hey.
No!
Mate.
Oh no!
Devastated.
Oh, you are joking.
Absolutely devastated. Gutted is not the word. Feel actually sick. We'll never know what it was, if it was a thresher or a tuna. Gutted. Cut myself up on my own mackerel feathers. Had my mackerel feathers over the side. Got all excited on the take, and as Lloyd's picked it up, it's just cut me off. Absolutely mortified. But we carry on, and we get another chance, won't we, Lloyd?
We will, mate. We go again. Keep working.
New rig's out.
Keep working. Keep chumming the water.
Keep going. Hey. lights up. Had some screaming runs.
I think it might be a tuna line.
Oh no.
No, nightmare. Oh well.
Right, well, let's get it in and up and up safely. I always say to her.
Stop that.
Yeah. With the boat. Right, turn this off, bring you back.
No, that's the hardest thing. That slid right forward, I think. Okay, go on.
Being lulled into a false sense of security, mate.
I think it's massive. Might be the biggest fish I've ever got.
What class is that, Rod?
50,
50 to 80 class rod. Peeling 80-pound braid off. You don't want to tonight, do you?
No. It's like, just come on. hold steady.
You don't want to piss it off.
Don't disappear again.
Give it some slot.
You're on YouTube, Andy, stop your swearing.
Thought we'd make the lads that couldn't come down this week a bit jealous, so Lloyd gets them all up on a multi-way video chat here. I think there's about 4 or 5 of them out there all at work, and we're out here watching, pretty much watch the whole fight.
Right, put them off and get the thing up. You can watch it on YouTube. If that breaks the surface there, you fall out and not my GoPro.
Yeah, you got to show me. You're fucking, I never want to see it.
Come mate.
There it is, got colour.
Come on. Can you see it?
Out there, it's further out, see it there. Look at that fucking hell. Shit, man.
I was going to stop.
That is a monster. Oh,
Gonna
there.
need a lot of tins for that. Get it up. Not took you long then. Why did it take people fucking 3 hours and 2 hours to bring them in if it's just... Well, that took you half hour.
What's this?
You're going to be fucked after half an hour.
There it is. Oh, it's only a mackerel. See it?
Yeah, it honestly, it's pumped at the top. Can't see the size of it. I want to see how fucking red man's face is. See what his cherry's like.
Yeah, mate.
Just lost it. I just knocked me drag with it, so I've lost a bit of line on it. You can touch the boat.
Going down the big circles,
That's good.
There it goes. comes, coming up, there it is. See, it's back there.
That's a bit quiet.
Yeah, it's what?
There it is. Just under the surface.
Have they kept it a bit quiet this trip though, isn't it?
Yeah, no one else got invited to this one. We just got off with skating in Scotland in fucking snow.
Well boring.
There it is.
Yeah.
Right, I'll just end the call now, lads.
What?
I'll just end it.
Look at it, we need to see the fish.
There it is.
No, we're not getting that bit either. Just what I see. That's what levers are fucking semis on. All semi up.
Leaders up, here it comes. This might be it now, lads. Oh no. I'm gonna grab the leader in a minute then.
Class it if it's been caught now anyway, innit? It's tossing up.
There it is.
Oh yes, he's on the top.
What's this?
Yeah,
200?
How big? Look at that baby. Oh, fucking man.
That's it, mum.
What you thinking inside of what you've seen? Small, medium, large? Get in so you can have a proper float with it.
Okay, now.
Bit before that comes.
Bosh! Whoa! Right, I'll call you back, lads. Do what?
Yeah, baby! Wow! Fucking hell! What a fish, look at that! Unbelievable fish. What do you say, get it? Right, last final look. What a fucking fish!
Oh, mate.
Second float. Right, cheers my dears.
Ready to go, mate. Go on, you get her.
Do the honours.
mate.
Get in there.
I love it.
Fucking hell, come on.
Man. What a fucking achievement that is, mate. Things that happen when you're sharking.
I know, to be honest, I'm as happy as that, and I would have been if it had been a thresher, to be honest with you, mate.
Well, yeah, you can't turn your nose up at a big bluefin tuna from the UK. Mint, mate. Right, let's get me one. Shark.
Hey, Mark.
What size would you say that tuna was, mate? What's your guess?
If I guess, I will say 250.
Do you know what? I was going to say exactly the same.
I mean, I've no idea. I could be £100 out, but yeah.
I'm thinking if I was on land and I had to pick something like that up.
Yeah,
it's heavy.
Yeah, I would think over £200 would be my guess. My biggest fish today, 213. So
I'd say it's about 212-ish. I measured it and I've done the calculation. 212.
I can't measure it though till I get out of the boat. I'm not hanging over the back end in this weather.
Yeah, no, it was a good fish, mate. Definitely your biggest fish today.
I would say so.
This was 213 easily.
I would say it's definitely my best fish today, without a doubt. Yeah.
Better than that whiting?
Just
It
I
was a
think.
good whiting.
Was wait, cramping my finger. I have to put this camera down before I drop it. It has gone very quiet. No birds working. Dolphins are everywhere, but they're just larking. They're not eating. They're not chasing fish or anything.
Not taking bait.
No, they're not taking bait either.
Tried everything for them.
Yeah. Desperately want to get one more chance for Lloyd before we go in for the day. But we can't find anything. And that's a wrap for this trip, guys. Unfortunately we didn't manage to get Lloyd hooked up to a big one, but we'll certainly be back. We're thinking that possibly our Scotland trip might turn into a Cornwall trip if the weather's still decent in a couple of weeks. So we may be back sooner than we anticipated, but an amazing part of the world, and certainly be down, if not this, back end of this year, definitely be back down once it warms up again in the spring. Probably be an extended trip next time we come down as well. Love it down there, absolutely amazing fishing. If you've stuck with both parts, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you whenever we get out next. Maybe Wales, maybe Scotland, maybe Cornwall, who knows.